We got this magnetic cat door. We're gonna install it by our garage. This is a size large. Everything comes in this box to make it work. I really like that you can manage which way it will be open or closed. All the little things to install it are included in here, other than a drill. Here's a cheat sheet. You can cut out a medium or a large and trace it. The border is pretty big, so that's how it gives you the option to do a medium or a large hole. So we're gonna do the large, and we ended up drilling 6 spots, 3 on top, 3 on the bottom. That way the jigsaw can fit, and we just go up and down, cutting it out. This is a metal door, so it was a little more challenging, but we made it work. Super cool. One of the pieces is gonna go in the back. We'll screw it in, and here's the front piece. And now we just align it and screw in this piece. We put these little caps, and it looks so nice. It's really cool. You can lock it or open it. Our plan is to put the cat litter in the garage so we get no smell of any litter. So they're gonna go into the garage and back inside. So this is in our laundry room. I'm really glad we got this. Now it doesn't smell in our house.